Tara na. We're in the lagoon right now, and this lagoon is very deep. 100 meters deep, and over there. So, Sam, Sam, let's go there. There's a bubble. Maybe,
Hello, bata na, wala ka.
maybe they call this place Mambukal because there's a lot of bukal. There. I want you to introduce my maid. That's Sam. That is Sam, my maid. So, look at that. Bubbles. According to, there's a legend, there's a myth, there's a myth in this place that this lagoon have a very big whale. The big whale in it. Maybe he's sleeping right now under this lagoon. It's a bubble. And your cameraman, the most handsome cameraman. Can you see that? That is iceberg. That is iceberg of Mambukal. Look at the place. Over there, over there, look over there. There's another tourist. They are Russians.